Here's how to add an employee's mailing address in Gusto. Once you are already signed in to Gusto, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click People. This opens the area where employee records are organized, and from there you can move into the correct profile before making any changes. When the People page appears, check that the Active tab is selected. That makes sure you are looking at current employees rather than another group, which helps you find the right record before updating address details. Next, locate the employee whose mailing address you want to add. When you find the correct person, click their name to open their profile. If you manage several employees, take a moment here to confirm you have opened the right profile before continuing. Inside the employee profile, look for the profile navigation and select Personal. This section contains personal details for that employee, including home or mailing address information. Scroll or look through the Personal section until you find the area that shows the employee's home or mailing address. Once you are in the correct section, click Edit next to the address information so the fields become available for updating. Now enter the employee's street address in the appropriate field. Use the address exactly as it should appear in the employee record. This is the main street line, so enter the building number and street name in that field. If there is additional address information, enter that in the next field. This can include an apartment number, suite number, or unit number when it applies. If there is no second line of address information, leave that field as it is and move on to the city, state, and postal details. Enter the employee's city in the city field. Then select the correct state from the state menu and type the zip or postal code into the matching field. Make sure each part of the address is placed in the correct field so the full mailing address is stored properly in the profile. Before saving, review the entire mailing address. Check the street line, any additional unit information, the city, the selected state, and the zip or postal code. This final review helps catch small entry issues such as a missing apartment number, the wrong state selection, or a transposed digit in the postal code. When everything looks correct, click Save. Gusto will then add the mailing address to the employee's profile and keep the updated information in that personal details section for future reference. Thanks for watching. The employee's mailing address is now added to their Gusto profile.